Welcome back. Kevin's Mower Repair. 2013 Volkswagen CC 2.0 turbo motor. Doing an upper radiator hose. So there is our old one. I'll show you between the old one and where it's at and the new one, since I've already got this thing all back together. But it's going to be basically the same procedure. Alright, like most Volkswagens, you're going to have these little clips. That these clips have to come undone. They just pop out and then it's able to slide off, because this is the locking assembly that holds the hose in place. This right here is going to go underneath the intake manifold to the thermostat, which is going to be right back behind this breather hose. What I did for this is take this 8, take the T30 that holds the little bracket piece right down there. Can't really see it. Then this piece, the rubber tube part, will come out of the way and gain access to the lock and the hose right there, no problem. You have one other little section that's going to come up right here. That's just a tension clamp that comes off. The other end comes over here to this side. We'll have the same thing, same type of locking mechanism right there. Lift the lock tab off, rotate it around, walk it back and forth, up and down, whatever you got to do to get it to loosen itself up. Or in this case, this one was blown off, so that was easy. The next one, this part right here, this goes to a cooler, which you can't see back here, but it's basically take out the air filter housing right here, and it's right there in the back. Real simple. It's another tension clamp. Take it off, move it out of the way. All the stuff comes out. Real basic, real simple. Only stuff you're going to need is a pair of hose clamp pliers, especially for that back there, or a big pair of right angle needle nose pliers, just something that can get enough openness to open and close it. I do spray a little bit of PB Blaster on the inside of the O-ring just to make it slide on. Once it slides on, you'll hear it pop. Once it does, it's in full position. You can push down the lock tab and it will lock the hose in place. Right now I am adding coolant and letting the air bubbles burp out before I start the car up. But other than that, overall, very simple. It's only got 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors and stuff like that the hose goes to. It's just all the bull crap you got to take out of the way in order to get to it. Air filter housing, this little inlay right here, there's a T25 Torx right there. This little piece will come off. Rotate this out of the way, take off the inner tube, intercooler tube that goes to the throttle body, just the top half, and that gives you plenty of room to get straight in there to get that lock tab off for the actual hose itself. Filling the coolant back up, make sure you're on a level surface, top it off, keep adding until no more bubbles come out, and then you are there once the thermostat itself opens up. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.